Hello, my name is Nilesh. I come from Chennai. I've seen a lot of videos about GoGoA1, about their, the innovation, how they're converting the current fuel vehicles into, electric vehicles. It was very curious. And after I came here, it was a very extensive training. Whatever questions we put to the trainer or to Mr. Srikanth sir, the proprietor, they were very helpful. They have explained everything in detail. Whatever tough questions we had, without hesitating, they have explained to us every thing of the how do you convert. It was very useful. Even a layman who doesn't know how things about electronics and what about automobiles can learn from it. Even from a person who's at a middle level can learn from the training they give. I'm very happy that we are having such a center in Mumbai, in Maharashtra, and I think they are giving a great contribution to the society, to the country, wherein there are a lot of wastages going due to petrol, and when you're converting it into electric, there is so much energy which has been preserved, which has been not wasted, and even in terms of cost, it is a great advantage for the for all class people. There are poor class people, there are middle class people. This is a great innovation, and I think the innovation which they have done, nobody else has done in the country. So I congratulate them for the wonderful work they have done. I think this is going to create a great revolution in the country. I wish them all the best. And people who is watching my video can also come and feel the experience, because they're giving us the experience and they want us to experience the vehicle, and so that we can also buy them. All right. So thank you so much. Congratulations, GoGoA1 team. Thank you so much.